Welcome. My name is Max Ackman, and today I'm going to do a basic search using the Health and Nursing database. The first thing you want to do after you get to the Daytona State College Library website, just scroll down and select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will bring you to an alphabetical listing of all the databases that are available through Daytona State College. We're going to go to the H for Health and Nursing. It'll be the first one, so we don't even have to move. We can just select that. I've already logged in. If you have any troubles logging in, please reach out to us either through chat or email, and we also have a tutorial that you can look at. Once you get here, this is the EBSCOhost database. You have a lot of different search options here beneath the page. Feel free to just begin your search up here at the top. As you start typing, you'll get suggestions, so keep a lookout for those suggestions, especially if you have trouble finding results that are useful to your search. Once you do that, we can go ahead and search. All these limiters here on the page, the front page there will appear over here on the left hand side. We got over 300,000 results, so we're definitely going to want to narrow them down. Full text is good. Another way to narrow them down is by recency, so 2015, usually around 5 years, and then we'll just hit enter to apply that update. And it has really narrowed it down. Now we're down to 71,000 results. So very helpful. If you go too far, you can always hit this X and go backwards. And so to get those search results back, once you do find a article worth using, select the title, and you'll go in and see the detailed record. If you select the PDF or the HTML full text, you'll go directly there. This is useful to see the background information, the authors, the publication, the source. Kind of the most important thing over here is how long it is. So you can see it's 7 pages long. That'll let you know how important the abstract or summary is for the individual article you're looking at. There is also useful tools here on the side. The permalink will bring you directly back here. It'll appear at the top of the page there. This will make sure that you're able to access this in the future. You can come right back. The citation will also sort of do that for you. Make sure you grab whichever APA, Chicago Tribune Style, MLA are the 3 main ones. Grab that. As long as you have the citation and talk to a librarian, we can definitely find it for you, help you locate it. You also have the ability to save it directly to your Google Drive account, and then you can also download it as a PDF and save it to your own storage device. So lots of different options. If you have any problems or need any help, please reach out to us either through chat or email.